Hello and welcome to this Feral No More personal blog on Facebook update. So here we have Whitey, for lack of a better name, and he's crawled up my wrist and is licking every last remnant of chicken juice from my fingers. Imaginary or real chicken juice, as the case may be. Good work. Maybe you'd like some chicken in the morning, fella. Oh, he's got good balance, this one too. Look at that. Wow. Awesome. You'll be on solid soon by the look at that, pal. Look at that go. So that's chicken that I've chewed with my lack of teeth. So it's sort of a little bit pre-chewed anyway. And he's been through, I don't know, a tablespoon, I guess. And here comes Mum. Oh, hey mate, go on. Let's just see if the kitten will finish it, because it wasn't. Oh well, she can have it then.